Hey guys, it's your Saturday on Vacation Vloggers. I just want to say thank you, Allie, for making me the intro. I love it. I have to introduce myself. How could I forget? So I'm Ashlyn. Nice to meet you. I'm 14 years old. I'm American Girl 613. I wrote down everything that I'm going to be saying on here because that's the way I do it. My dog is barking to come in. Do you want to see my dog? Come on in. He's okay. Yeah. Okay. His name's Scooter. Did you guys remember me talking about him in my audition video? He's sitting on my script. He just broke my script. Is it weird that I'm always filming in my closet? My favorite artist is U2 and Dave Matthews and Taylor Swift. I'm kind of stuck in the 80s. My favorite food is either tacos or pizza. Kind of original, but it is. Favorite song, I don't have like a legit favorite song, but my current is Jump by Van Halen. Super old song. My favorite kind of music is country music. I used to despise country music, but I had this church class that was like off campus in my school, and all they listened to was country music, so I kind of got into it. My favorite show is CSI Miami or New York or wherever it is. Today I actually woke up at 10 a.m. to catch like the marathon on Spike, and woo, there's some drama going on. My favorite drink is Mountain Dew. My favorite store is Charlotte Russe. Yeah. My favorite color is purple. My favorite animal is a panda, pug, or a penguin. My favorite candy is Sweet Tart. My favorite sport is volleyball or swimming. My favorite holiday is Christmas. I just love Christmas. So beautiful. My favorite number is 13, and yes, everybody says 13, but I have a reason behind it. I was born in 13 minutes, and I was born on June 13th. My other number is 7 because that's the one that I always get in the fortune cookies. My favorite YouTuber, I like Guitars Are My Life. I bake and shout everyone on this collab because I do love everyone's videos on this collab. Shaytards. I especially love baby tards. My favorite season would have to be winter because for some reason, I just don't like summer. I don't like summer. Spring, I hate spring because that's when the pollen comes out. Ooh, girl, don't get me started. Because fall is when you first start school and it's like awkward. I love winter. So yeah, that was my video for this week, and sorry if I bored you to death, and hallelujah if I entertain you till you can't be entertained no more. It should actually be any more. Also, my favorite show, I'll let you take a look. Follow me on Twitter, which is Hey, I'm Ashlyn, or you could go to my main channel, American Girl 613, advertising in the bottom bar. Bye!